Oh hey Biafra. Oh hey Biafra. Oh hey Biafra. Please, just want to address some certain things here. Some things that has been kind of is bothering. It's about these people saying that IPOB are insultive. They are insulting them. They are this. They are that. They are that. They are this. Your leader is insultive, and there's no way a day that we and our leader insulted anybody. What we are talking about here, we are trying to remind you of your stupidity, your foolishness. Your foolishness, the insult that they've given you since 1914. For crying out loud, this insult has been there since 1914. They created your country, Nigeria, called you Nigeria, like animals, like fools. Created the zoo, Nigeria. Since 1914, this insult has been there. We are just here to remind you that you're a foolish person, you're stupid. There's no insult, nobody insulted you. Because you, as a Nigerian, you're an insult, as already an insult. So we are not insulting anybody. We've never insulted anybody. Then the elders now coming out to say you don't respect us, you don't respect us, you don't respect the elders. Are you an elder? The first question you should ask yourself, are you an elder? If you're an elder, are you acting like an elder? If you're acting like an elder, then a reasonable IPO member would not insult you, because we know our elders. When we see our elders, most of these elders, we do see our elders and we respect our elders. And you are not an elder, because you're coming out to shout, to make noise. First, what was trending is, did you see the war? Did you see the war? Do you know what happened during the war? The last time we checked, those of you shouting, did you see the war? Did you know what happened in the war? You were those people that were jumping from trailer, all this gongoro from this community to that community where you will find your safety. That's what you people are doing then. And you say you saw the war. You fought nothing. You didn't see any war. Those of you shouting, did you see the war? For your information, we that are agitating for Biafra, we saw the war, we fought in the war, we died, and we have reincarnated, and we are coming back for Biafra. There are no two ways about it. Forget about it. If you talk about death, we've seen death. We'll see more than even death. So death is not something that we'll be afraid of saying about. You threatening people with death. Death is just like what we take to make our breakfast. So we are not afraid of death, because we've seen it. When you talk of Biafra, we've seen death. We haven't even ready anytime at all to even die because of it again. Because we died before, we will not even waste time to reincarnate and come back for it again. So stop saying about death. You see the word, you see that. We are not even threatened by all that. We are not moved. So those elders shouting, did you see that you're insulting us? If you act like an elder, you'll be treated like an elder. If I should grow up tomorrow and act so stupid like you people act, become so stupid like you people act as an elder, they should take me, insult me, and do all manner of things to me. Because I can't be an elder, go and sell my people, go to Abuja, collect money, and the thing you're supposed to do, you don't do it to protect the people you claim to be their elder. You don't do the right thing. So you are an elder for what? You all are very stupid people. That's just the fact. Because we know our elders. When we see our elders, we respect our elders. We give them the maximum respect. Everything they need, we give it to them. So you people now coming out to say that these people, they don't respect their elders. Even those ones in the all kind of life, even those ones in Hollywood, that when acting their movies, they never try to impact knowledge on people with their role in the Nollywood. Because Nollywood, as far as I'm concerned, Nollywood, you people are acting garbage, rubbish, trash. That's what you people are acting. Apart from the time they acted Things Fall Apart, they told us stories about, they try to demonstrate stories about our culture and all that. Apart from that, people are acting nonsense. Because what you act now is the Igwe had a son, and this and that. Igwe gave birth to this, and then later the Igwe died, or one guy suffering, he was right with wheelbarrow. From there, he became rich man. Nonsense, rubbish. That's what we people are acting. Instead of you to use your Nollywood to make impact on the people, you can't. You're acting rubbish because you're in Nollywood. And the elders coming out, what is happening in Igbo land, in Biafra in general, these elders, they don't come out to speak against it. What you are coming to talk is that they are insulting you. You are coming out to say that you're insulting you, they're insulting you. Is it insult that you're talking about now? A girl was raped in Oscar. This girl was raped. Everything, none of you came out to talk. Instead, you come out to say it's not there, it's a force. Even if it's not there, this is human being, this is a lady, this could be my sister, this could be my own blood, this could be yours too. Why can't you speak against it? Why can't you say something about it? Or you are coming to say you are insulting you. May God punish you all. That's just the basic fact, because you people are not elders. You are not an elder. If I should become an elder tomorrow and I don't act like an elder, that means the youth of then should treat me as they want. If I should act like you, so you are not an elder. You don't represent anybody as an elder. So keep your elder, your whatever, your gray hair to your pocket and keep it there. We know our elders, the right elders to respect. We respect them. We give them the maximum respect, not you. Then those people, because everybody now wants to be on social media, make videos and all that. After making your video, go and make your contribution. Go and do your contribution. Because what IPOB needs now, what Biafra needs now is contribution. We need you to go and do your make your contribution, contribute, and see what we can do. Because you see how much IPOB is spending every month. You're making your videos every day. You make videos. Everybody wants to be on social media. Everybody wants to make videos. You want to discourage people just with your videos, because most of the videos you are making, you're just rubbish. You are not making any reasonable video. It's just rubbish. If you want to make, after making your video, you made your video, fine, good. Have you done your contribution? The levies, the dues you are supposed to pay, do you pay them? Do you contribute? You don't. Just want to come and let them see you. You make your grammar. You speak your grammar. Everybody want to speak grammar. You want to talk. When an IPOB person talk, when the real people that are agitating for Biafra, when they speak, you say they don't respect you, they don't give you respect. Is that how to do it? You want to speak Oyibo? Everybody want to speak English. Guys, Oyibo. Everybody want to speak. After speaking, you're making your videos. We'll take it to the bank and withdraw money, because we need finance right now. And you are not coming out to do that. You are coming out to make your stupid and selfish videos. So everybody should come out now and start contributing. Start contributing one way or the other. You start contributing, because your videos, your live videos, to come and lay your complaint. You've been laying these complaints right from time. You lay your complaint. Did you see the war? We left that one. And now the one trending is they don't respect the idea. They're insulting that, this and that. All those things are rubbish. Stop deceiving yourselves. Go and look for a way to make your own contribution. That's all. Make your contribution. That's what we need now. Not about your insult. Nobody cares about you. If you want to be cared for, you make your own contribution, like every other person, every Biafrans have been doing. Because after your video, you don't make your contribution. Then what are you doing? What do you want? Your video won't give us what we are looking for. Just go and make your contribution. Make every contribution you have to make, and support the movement. But since you people are all about doing videos and all that, which can never help, it won't help us. So we all are going to try and do the normal thing, do the whole thing the way it is supposed to be done. Do the whole thing the way it's supposed to be done. So it's not about all this. Everybody should make their own donations, do things according to the way it has to be done. After making your video, because you people know how to speak grammar. All you know is grammar. Speaking grammar, which will not even take us to anywhere. Although your grammar won't take us to anywhere. They're insulting you. All this useless set of people coming out to say they're insulting you. Amalgamated animals. You don't even know when you were insulted, when they insulted you. Look at what is happening. What's happened in Oscar? Everybody is quiet about it. Nobody wants to speak about it. If you talk, they'll tell you it's false alarm. It's not there. And you say that you are an elder, you don't want to speak about it, you don't want to do something about it. Because this video is something that I couldn't watch it. I can't watch it. Even I can't watch it. This could be my own blood. This could be my relative. This could be your own family. This could be somebody to you. This is a future mother. This is the future. This could be it. I don't know how to put it. But everybody is like, we are fine. Let's go ahead. It's now. Stop making your videos to distract people. Do all those sort of rubbish. Coming to claim you're an elder. You are an elder, fine and good. You act like an elder, and you will be respected. When you go about, you ask. The elders, we have elders that we give them their maximum respect. We stand by them day and night because they are responsible elders. If you are not responsible, there's no way we can respect you because you are not an elder. So those people claiming they are insulting us, they are this one, this and that. You have been insulted right from 1914. The insult has been there. So we are just trying to tell you that you are still living with the insult. Nobody insulted you. We are still trying to tell you that your foolishness is still there since 1914. You're still being foolish and stupid. That's what we're telling you. So you have to abide to the truth that we are telling you. So nobody's insulting you. All these amalgamated animals coming around to say all sort of rubbish in the era.